Hello friends, I Dr. NG Telkapalliwar once again welcome you in my YouTube channel BSVS Educational Learning Center. Today we are going to discuss about the uses of these interactive ICT tools for quizzes, polls, surveys, then discussion during the online lecture by using the platform that is called as a Slido. I Dr. NG Telkapalliwar once again welcome. Now this platform which is available in the different platform, like we can go for the Google search by using this website, that is www.slido, or we can download the Google from Google Play Store. Just type the Slido, that is SLIDO, in Google Play Store and download this app to engage the student during online lecture. And another platform is Google Slide. In Google Slide, like in Google Form, there is a add-on called as a Certify EM or any farm limiter, etc. In Google Slide platform, also in Google Drive, the add-on is available in the form of slide. In Google Slide, just click on the add-on and go in the Google Marketplace, from which we can easily download and install this add-on called as a slide. So these are the three platforms through which we can easily go for this Slido. Now this platform that is called as a Slido is very useful during the online lecture, because when we organize any type of the lecture for the students or any webinars, then FDP program, means during this online lecture, the platform may be Zoom or Cisco WebEx or Microsoft Team, or you can go through live streaming through OBS platform, so through which we can easily conduct the online quizzes, short quizzes. We can conduct polls, surveys, and there is a question answer type discussion is also available in this Slido form. And within that presentation, we can easily go for the interactive session with the students. Now what happens during the webinars also, our online classes, we are just going the presenting the that is PowerPoint presentation, means the content is providing by using the PowerPoint presentation. Now we can also integrate this Slido platform, so that within that PowerPoint presentation we can use this survey, then polls or quizzes in the PowerPoint presentation, so that student can interact, they can engage in the interactive session by taking part in the quizzes, they can discuss with the teachers also. So this is the very useful tool to engage the student within that online lecture. So we will one by one going to discuss how to use these interactive quizzes by using this platform Slido. So let's go in the Google search engines and type the just Slido. And meanwhile, I also request you to kindly download this software. It is not a software, it is a Google app. If you have a mobile, Android mobile, just go in the Play Store, type the Slido, because I want to discuss the online, how this Slido is work online in during the online lectures in various form of platform like Zoom or Cisco WebEx, etc. So I request everyone, because I am going to provide one code which is generated through Slido, so that you can give the answers and take part in the quizzes. So this is all about the Slido. Now we are going to in the Google search engine to create the quiz, poll and survey by using the platform. Just sharing the screen. Now in Google search engine, just go in the platform that is in Google search engine and type the word that is the Slido, SLIDO. Now the new just enter it, or so this type of website is open. That is the first website, that is www.slido Slido. Just click on this Slido platform. Now when you click on this Slido platform, the next window is open. So this is the window. Here there are two options available. One is the student can directly, without login, the student can just enter the event code, which is the teacher going to provide through online lecture. Just they require to enter the code which is provided by the teachers. And for the creation of the quiz, you have to log in the, means you have to create the account. So I am just here already I am login. So there is an option create the account. To just create the account and login. So go here in login. For creating account, you need only the email and write down your name, surname, and email ID and password. So in this way, when you log in this platform, that is the slido.com, the admin website is open. So this is the admin website. For the participation in the quizzes or poll, the student did not need to log in it. So just enter the code and they can go for the quizzes. Now, this is the event. This is the team. This is the analytics. And this is the academy. So because I am previously made one quizzes here, so in academy various type of demo is available. Now this is the event. Here name is obtained. So I just log out here in order to know all other things. So I just log out and once again log in, so that you can understand better way. So this is I just log out here. The student can go directly in entering the code, and another option is login and sign in. Suppose you want to sign up. So this next window is open. So here you have to put your first name, then last name, your mail and password, and create account. So already I created account, and that's why I'm not going to fill this details. So just create account here by using your personal data. So once you create it, then just go in the login section. So here there is option login. So this window is open. Here just enter your email ID, continue it, then add the password which is added during the creation of the account, and login. So this window is open now. So this is the window. Here name is occur, that is the owner, and upgrade. Now the next is the quick event and schedule event. So you can suppose you want to create the quick event during online, just go click here quick event, and suppose you want to go for the schedule event. Suppose like in YouTube we can schedule the event, like similar way in Slido also we can easily create the account event, that is the event name, that is the write down the name of topic, whether it is thermodynamics or nuclear chemistry or any your related subject, then start date of this quiz and end date, and event code is generated here. Suppose 87980 is the code, and you have to provide this code to the student. And just I am writing here, suppose practice quiz or demo, practice demo, and here show how event dates work. Here suppose you click here to start 19, 20, etc., and here after that just click on the schedule event. So once you click on the schedule event, so this type of window is open. Here audience, live polls, and analytics once again. So here now it is showing that there is a 0 active participant because this is a new event. And here in live polls, create your polls, multiple choice type of work, then word cloud, then another is the quiz, rating, and next is the open text. Open text is the nothing but it is useful for the short type of questions, that is the short answer type, and browse template. So this option is available. Now this is the code. Now here practice demo, date is given, then this is the public platform, quiz is public, and here there is a number is appear here. That number is your class code or event code. So that is the 87980 is the code. Now here there is a general option, then there is a setting in privacy, hidden from search is available. Answer is on, live on, ideas, because some feature is available in premium version, agenda also. Then customization, branding. Suppose you click on the branding, we recommend use the JPG image. To this facility available in premium version. Then present mode, participant mode. So here you can customize your custom theme, welcome theme, etc. Then next is the most important, integrations. Integration means live demo, embedded Slido, then Cisco WebEx meeting. Suppose you are organizing any Zoom meeting or webinar or online lecture by using the platform called as a Cisco WebEx. You just click on here, add the Webex meeting here. So this Slido platform is already integrated with the Cisco in this integration platform. So you have to just go for the add to Webex meeting, and suppose you are organizing the Cisco Webex, it is already attached here. Then another option is that is the Google Slide option. Now suppose you are presenting online lecture through a presentation, so you can embedded this Slido in that PowerPoint presentation. Means you do not need to go in the Slido website. Within that PowerPoint presentation, you can share the quiz, poll, survey, etc. So that is the big advantage of this Slido platform. So you can integrate this by using a Google Slide. Then Switcher, PowerPoint beta version, and Microsoft Team also. So this is also another meeting platform. Then live video. Suppose you are clicking here. So this feature is not available, but here suppose you are go for the premium version, the Zoom also can be also integrated. Facebook, YouTube, etc. can be integrated within this platform called as a Slido. But in default section version, Cisco, Webex, and this Microsoft Team is already included. Then share access. So you can share this link to the through the email also, through a class code like 87980. Its class code is generated here, or event code is generated, or you can provide the QR scan code also. QR, through scanning the QR code, the student can also participate in the live poll or live quiz. Then my plan, so this is suppose I am using here free plan, so you can go for the premium also. Premium version is also available, but I think it is sufficient to go for the only free version, because in free version you can create the poll, and you can also create the 30 questions of the quizzes during the live session. So that is the advantage of free version. So it is more than sufficient, the 30 question, and 100 participant can be take the part during the this online poll or quizzes. Now another benefit is that during live session, whenever we conduct any type of online lecture or any webinar, what happens, suppose 100 students are participating, we are getting the data of that student, that is the name of student also, the live pool, their feedback, whether the event is successful, excellent, good, poor, etc. Whatever we provide the feedback now in Google form, so it is also available live. The data can be saved also, and it can be further analyzed for the different institutional level also, means as a record for the different agencies also. So these facilities also available. However, there are certain limitation in free version. Suppose we are using the premium version, so better facility is also available. So this is all about the event setting. You can go for this event setting also. Then there is a option that is called as a share option. So there is a three options: share link with participant. You can create the, suppose I am clicking on share link with participant, the link copied in the clipboard, and you just paste in the WhatsApp group or Telegram group of the student, or you can provide the live session also. Suppose this is the code, you can just provide the live session. Then another is the download QR code. So this facility is also available. You can download this QR code and provide to the student also in their various social platforms, so that during the live lecture, the student can interact with the resource person or teacher, and they can be benefited or in the form of the knowledge sharing, question answer sharing, and discussion along with the student. So these are the various type of. Then invited collaborator, which is available in the premium version. So this is the share form. Then next is, once you create the quiz, now we are going to discuss about, this is the event. Now suppose student is using the that code in the participant mode in app based platform. Suppose this is the mobile, it is just opening now. Now this type of platform is available, question answer and poll. So student can just go in the poll and take part in the poll, survey, question, etc. So there are different types of facilities. Live interaction is also available. Means there is a small app which have a very small KB, in the size of KB is also is available. You just download it, and student did not need to log in the that Slido app. Just enter the pin, that is the 87980, whatever pin providing, like here there is a 87980 is the pin. So student enter, and they can take part in that quizzes or interaction or question action session also. So this is the advantage. Another is the this is the administrator or teacher related activity. Means suppose you are changing the slide here in Slido platform, so automatically the app based platform is also changes. Suppose I am providing the question 1 in during the online lecture, the student in mobile also see only that question 1. They cannot go directly in question 2. When I changes the question 1 to 2, then the question second is appear in the student screen. Suppose I changes question 2 to 3, then in this way the slides of the students is also changing, that is the screen of the student is also changing. So this is another way. Anywhere the student can log in the mobile by entering their name also. And that's why how many students watching this online lecture, how many taking part in the polls and survey and quizzes. So this type of interactive platform is available in this Slido platform. So we will just practice it, how to develop the quiz and poll in this platform. So here there is an option that is audience, then live polls. So just click on live polls. So there are different types of part is available. One is just click on this rating. So once you click on rating, so what would you like to ask? So just I am asking here, rate this lecture. Yeah, how will you rate this lecture? How will you rate this lecture? So suppose you want to give the rating, there are maximum value 5, then 6, 7, etc. is available up to 10. So I just giving here only 5 and just save. So in this way, the one poll question is generated. Then second, again click on this the option that is called as a create a poll. So this is the first survey. Then second is then your opinion. There are maximum value 5, then on this Slido tool in teaching learning process. Just this type of question I am adding, and here there is an option called as a add option. So I am just adding the one option, that is it is excellent. Then second option is automatically generated here, excellent, then very good, then third good. You can add number of as per your feedback, how the feedback form you want to generate. So these are the options. Then mark as a correct, because this is a poll and that's why there is no need to mark as a. Allow the select multiple option, so that is also not related. So just click here and save it. So this second feedback question is generated. Then another is, again click on the create poll. What would you like to say ask? So you just type whatever feedback you generated. How will you again this tool is useful to you. Your opinion. Your opinion on is this tool is useful to you. So just I am writing here yes or no. So this is the poll type question, and therefore there is no need of to correct the answer here. So for quizzes there is an option that is the mark as a correct option, and just click here. So this is the different types of options. Then here just click here and select now quiz option. Here there is a multiple choice, open text, word cloud rating. Just click on quiz. What would you like to ask? So different types of question, 30 quiz can be generated. Suppose I am writing here, I am selecting the multiple choice. Okay. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Suppose I am writing here Narendra Modi first. Second, Ramnath Kovind. You can add the number of questions here.
Give space between Prime Minister and off.
Kejriwal. Okay, so these are the, I'm just writing here 3 options. There is a 4th, 5th also. Now suppose here you want to enable the timer. So you can enable timer,
Yes,
means
sir.
during that one question. So suppose you want to give the answers of different, means you want to give the timer also, you can adjust the timer for question 1, question 2, etc. So this facility is also available. Display leaderboard after this question. Suppose 100 students or 50 students taking part in the live poll or live quiz. So you can display simultaneously who is the their ranking of the student, who is the giving the correct answer, first, second, third, fourth, etc. can be visible within that online class also. Suppose you want to display the leaderboard, and suppose you
Nandu
want
sir.
to display, do not want to display, to just enable it, there is no problem. So here I am clicking display leaderboard after this question. So this, in this way you can create the quiz. So this is the first question. Just click on the second question here. Second button is obtained. This is question number 1. This is question 2. You can write
Nandu
anything.
sir,
Suppose
you are
now
hearing?
here there is one more option.
Sir, are you
You
hearing me?
have to add the correct answer here. That is the correct answer. Also, there is another option here. There is an option you can just move the your options also. If you want to here, just there are 6 buttons here. So you can change or move here, and this is the correct answer. So you have to tick here for the correct answer. Now this is the multiple choice of question. Suppose you want to like checkbox type of question. Which of the following? Which of the following
Nandu sir.
are the states of India?
Sir.
Now suppose I am writing here Maharashtra. Then second is Andhra Pradesh.
Sir, are you hearing?
And third is suppose I am writing Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Now in this case, enable timer, if you want to click here, display leaderboard, etc. can be possible. Now here the correct answer is which of the following are the states of India? Maharashtra is the state of India, one of the state. Then Andhra Pradesh. Then this Jammu and Kashmir is the union territory, and therefore there are 2 options. So in this way you can click the correct answer here. Then third important, I just discussed the 3 different type of question here. A true false type of question you can be easily add here. True false, that is Mumbai is a capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra. So yes or no? So I am just writing here yes and no. So I am just clicking here.
Sir, are you
In
hearing?
this way, there are different type of questions is available here. Add description, delete, etc. option is also available. So this is the general new quiz. Generate the quiz. You can create the short answer type of question also here by clicking on the that word platform. 3 question I have generated. Add question. You can add the another question also. So in this way, you can create the different type of the questions for the online lecture or online poll also. So this is the poll and quizzes. Now when it is complete, to just click on the this option that is called as a present mode. So when you are click on this present mode, just save the quiz first.
Sir.
Okay,
Nandu sir.
select answer here and save. Okay, it is now save, and this is the platform. Rating, poll, multiple choice, short type of question is also available. Now in poll, suppose I want to delete one question also, you here click on here, you can edit it also, and you can change the multiple choice into open text also. Suppose I'm clicking here open text platform, write the name of capital of Madhya Pradesh. So this is the short answer type question, allow multiple answer, etc. So this type of facility is also available in open text platform. You can ask the student the different types of answer also. So this is facilities are available. You can edit the any type of question. Now, so this is all about the creation of the quizzes. It is similar like a Kahoot or hot potatoes type. You can use the multiple choice, short answer, images, etc. So this is the quiz short quiz developed. Now, once it is created, then you need to go for the present mode here. There is a share option, public, and this code is available. So you have to provide this code to the student during live section. Then there is an option of the called as a share. Just create the share, and this type of clipboard is copy generated. You paste in your presentation. Through presentation, you can run also that quiz. And another option is the generation of the, that is the QR code. So this is the three platform available. Now, once the quiz is created, there is a present mode option. So just go in the present mode option. So next slide is open.
Hello, sir. Are you listening, sir? Tilkavalli, you are, sir.
This is the screen which is opening now. It takes few minutes. Yes. The test is okay. This is the code, that is the join at slido.com. Suppose you are already joined in the Slido platform, means you are downloaded the app in through mobile Play Store. This is the code. Just show now. This is the live lecture, and you are here. You can just student can scan this QR code, or they can enter the code also. So here one Dr. Nandakishore Mishra is join here. Test is okay. Suppose I am using my mobile, and I am suppose I adding my name here. Suppose I am adding my name. So this is also appeared here. So I am typing my name in mobile app. So for that, first enter the code, that is 87980, and just click on. Then go in the poll option or question answer option. So type your question or in poll. So in this way, suppose I am clicking here now, this type of window is open now here. Here one question, typo error, Prime Minister. So that's okay. I'm just practicing it. Then there is a plus option, create new poll. Then this is the activate poll. Then showing question answer, and there is a setting option. In setting option, copy event link. You can copy the event link also. Switch to admin panel. Suppose you want to go in the admin panel and disable the participant question answer. To just click on this poll section, activate poll. Now it is activated, and you can see in mobile also the score, that is, it is appear like this in mobile. Suppose you are looking here. So the screen, I don't know whether it is visible or not, but the rating is available. Suppose I am clicking on the 4th rating. So it is now appear here also. Here it is appeared. So in this way, simultaneously we can see the what is the details. Then here one poll, then click on the next button. So this type of question is obtain your opinion in this Slido tool in teaching learning process. Excellent, very good, etc. So you just click on whatever you want to. So here the option is 50, very good, excellent, etc. is opting. Then next, click on the next option again. Write the name of capital of Madhya Pradesh. So you can write the answer, and different participants suppose give the different answer. So it is appear here. Here Bhopal. So there are 100 student is there. So 100 answer can be possible. The next question is related to quiz. To join the quiz, type your name. Suppose I am writing here my name. Just write the name for the quiz. Dr. Nandakishore Mishra, Dr. Telka Pallivar. So whenever the participant is participating in the quiz, so 100 up to 100 participant can be take part in the live session. So the all this name is indicated here. Now after that, just click on the next button. Who is the Prime Minister of India? So just excuse me for the typing error here. So this question is already seen to the student in the screen. and this is the timer. So you just one Narendra Modi, then click on the second option. Here leaderboard, Dr. Shell, Deepak Kavde, etc. So these are the leaderboard is also available. Which of the following are the states of India? Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. Just click on send option. So there is no timer here, so it is just going to end here now. Then just click on the next button, the display Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, correct. Then next, just click next button here. Leaderboard is generated. Then because Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So related to your subject, you can create the quiz within that online session and provide in the screen, so that just provide the 5 to 10 questions, the student can participate, and we can also know how many student is participating in quiz, and that data is also available, because suppose they write the correct name during the quiz, we can easily find out how many number of student is participate. So this is about the quiz. So this is provided in a practice form. So congratulations, Deepak Kavade, sorry, is the highest score. First, second, Mankala Rao, Rajeshwara Rao, Dr. Shailesh Dugal, third, fourth number. In this way, the quiz can be congratulations, Deepak Kavade. So this way, we can show the leaderboard also. Now it depends on you whether you want to show the first, second, third rank to the student within the online lecture or not. It depends on the all. Just go in the setting and just click on disable it. Suppose you don't want to show the details of the students here, you can just disable it. So this type of facility is also available. So this is the interactive tool which can be used during your online lecture or webinar. Now once it is completed, just go in the practice demo. Then these are the questions. You can just click on the analytics of quiz. So you can found that poll votes 21, active participants 6, participants are joint participant 10, engagement score 18, questions 2. So the name is also appear here. Then next is there is another option, that is the setting. Sorry, there is a infographic also here, and export option. So just export option is not available for the free version, but you can go for the infographic and click here. So once you click here, this is the link is generated here. So copy to clipboard and just paste here in Google box and enter it and find out how the score is data is looking like. It is opening in new window. Yes, practice demo 19. This is the name of quiz. Interaction report, attendance report. Ask 2 questions. Then Dr. Nandakishore Mishra, what are about the mini test is okay. This is the infographic. Who are the most influent participants sent 21 score. So this type of graphical version is available. I just going to my previous quiz. Suppose I am clicking this quiz, which is already I have, that is poll and question answer. The student can also ask the question, what is LM good, very interesting, very much. This type of question is student, is it the limit up to 99 certificate through certify EM per day? The student can ask related to your subject topic or content to the teacher, and student can give the answer during that session. Then this is the archive is empty. Just go in the analytics. Now here in this quiz, active participants 39, questions 11, poll votes 353. And suppose what is the LMS question answer, audience question answer here is also available, ideas, then live polls is also available. These are the various 10 questions. And suppose you want to download this infographic, just copy or open in new window or copy to clipboard. It is now opening. So this is the another quiz, interactive demo quiz, interactive report. attendance ask question, what are the most popular questions, then what are the main topics, then these are the name of student who the participated. So in this way, the details is available in the form of infographic. And suppose you are going for premium version, then the details is available in Excel format, also in CSV format. So this is all about the how to go for the live interactive session through polls, quizzes, etc. Now next we are going to discuss about how to go through Google Drive. Now suppose I am going here in the Google slide also. You are also aware about the how to go in the Google slide. So this is the Google slide. You know about that. Just go in the Google Drive, click on. So like how you are entering in the Google form, because there are different options is available when you are click on that new option, Google Form, Google Drive, Google Sheet, Google Slide, then Google Drive, Drawing, Jamboard, Google Classroom, etc. So these are the different platform available, and there also slide is also available. Now during presentation, suppose you are using the presentation through a this Slido platform. So there is a one option called as a add-on. So you just click on this add-on and get add-on. When you click on the get add-on option, the new window is open. Yes, this type of Google Suite available. Just search the app, like you search the certify EM or form limiter or email notification, etc. To just write the Slido and search Slido for Google Slide. And this type of option is available. Just click on here and install this, because I am already installed in Google Slide, my Google Slide, and that's why it shows as uninstall. When you are going to add first time Slido, so there is an install option. Just click on install, accept the term and condition, and it is now appear in the your Google Slide option. That is the suppose click on add-on. So this Slido for Google Slide is appear, and one option is there. There is a in Google Slide, this type of symbol is appear here. That is the Slido. So just click on add-on, go in the Slido option, open in sidebar. So this is the option. Here this Slido window is opening now in sidebar. It takes few seconds to appear. Yes. So this is the present with Slido. So the add existing poll, etc. is available here. It takes few minutes to attach to the Google Slide. So add quiz poll, add like quiz, then join the quiz through this post, and they are present with Slido. So what happens within that PowerPoint presentation, by using this Google Slide, you can just go through this slide also. This is the quiz code number, that is 4002, through which we can easily create or interact to the student. So this is the different type of applications of this Slido. Means this Slido is available in different here. Add existing poll, suppose you are creating the question rating is appear here, all this. So what you need, just click on here and activate the that quiz. So it is now added in second. Students cannot use Admido on there. This is the question in added. Then you can just go for the next question here. Add quiz question. You can just create here also. So this is, there are two different platforms. What exactly I want to know, explain. First is that there is a app-based platform is available, then web-based platform is available, and third is the by using the Google Slide, you can integrate to the this Slido by using the add-on platform, that is from Google Marketplace, and you can create the live poll or live quiz also you can give through this platform. Also there is another option that is already I discussed. You can provide the QR code also, you can provide the event code also. Yeah, third option is there. You can just share the link in to the student, and also you can share the or just embed the your that link of the quiz in this slide. Just click on this quiz, just share it, link is copy and just present it here, that is in Google slide. So just click here and just paste it. So in this way you can easily paste the your that's slide in PowerPoint presentation, or that link in PowerPoint presentation. So this is all about the creation of the quiz, poll, survey within the live session, with whether it is in Cisco WebEx or Microsoft Team or Zoom or OBS through YouTube Studio, so that during our lecture, instead of only presenting the PowerPoint presentation theoretical concept, we can integrate this quiz poll and we can collect the data, that is the name of student, how many student is participating in the lecture can be also we get from this Slido platform. There is then there is a already the interaction can be takes place in different manner also. After 10 minutes of lecture you can give the 1 or 2 question also. After end of the presentation or online lecture, you can just provide the link anytime, you can provide the link, so that the name of student and there is a interactive way also. You can relate it to the your content or subject or topic, you can give the 1 or 5 question. In this way you can go for that live session, and student also enjoy because they are getting the some knowledge, different types of knowledge in the form of quizzes, short answer type of question related to your subjective topic. So these are the benefit and interaction with the student. And also there is a one option that is already I told, the interaction can be done through a question answer, because there is an option. Suppose you are anyone is downloaded the app, there is an option that is the question answer. Suppose I write the question answer here, the question answer is also appear here. So suppose I am writing here question, any question, so it is also appear. Just write the question and just send it, and once you click on the send option, the question can be appear to the toward the teacher, those who are taking the online class, and the student can interact with the student, the teacher can interact with the student, and also explain the topic also to the student, their difficulty, their problem solving, or there is any numerical problem, they can also teacher can also explain to the student. So these all are about the application and uses of this Slido. It is very good platform. Suppose you want to interact with the student through the live section, and also in offline courses also. Suppose you are going in the classroom and your 45 or 50-minute class is completed, so just go in the staff room and just give the 3 to 4 question through Slido, and provide the that game code or that quiz code to the student in through WhatsApp group or Telegram group or any social media platform. The student just take the part, and they can the feedback is also obtained. So student just enjoy all these things. So this is today is all about this platform that is called as a Slido platform. So I thank you very much for watching this YouTube live session. Just download this app also, practice it, and try this type of Slido integration through online during your online courses. So thank you very much.